Tonight we have come through to Rio, a Brazilian steakhouse. So basically we've just been told off the server there are 15 different types of meat to try tonight, and as long as you have this card on green and not on red, they will keep serving it and serving it and serving it until you can't eat no more. So yeah, at the moment it's definitely on green. So reading from the menu how it works. Number 1, the journey begins at our gourmet salad bar. You will find an extensive variety of healthy salad combinations and amazing selection of imported cheeses, cured meats and authentic Brazilian dishes. Step 2. When you are ready for the fun to begin, simply turn the Rio card to the green bullhead. Chefs will start to bring you all our delicious churrasco meat and will continuously carve it at your tableside until you say so. When you need a break, just turn the card over to the red bowl and service will momentarily stop. Use the card to control the pace of the meat service, allowing you to enjoy your meal at your own pace. At Rio, you're the boss. Made myself a little charcuterie. So first up, we've got ourselves some garlic steak to try. Cooked perfectly, very nice.
Oh, it's garlicky.
Yep. Wow, that's got some garlic.
Oh, wow.
Which one's this one?
Bavette steak. Bavette.
Bavette steak.
Yeah.
Get ready to crack that. Look at that. Wow. I don't know what bavette steak is, but I like it a lot. Now, because we've got some steak to eat, we've turned these onto red, otherwise they just keep coming. We've got ourselves some fries and what look like a peppercorn sauce. The peppercorn sauce is like no other peppercorn sauce I've ever had. It's actually got, initially it's quite a sweet flavour, and then a nice throat, like warms your throat afterwards. It is absolutely outstanding. I've had 2 pieces of meat and this is very quickly becoming my favourite restaurant. I've just spoke to the server and asked about the peppercorn sauce, and apparently they put a brandy in it, and that's what's given the sweetness and the depth of flavour. It is beautiful. So I've just been dropped off some Brazilian sausage. Let's give these a go. Oh, hot. So the sausage, nice flavour. I'm not so keen on the texture. The textures, they're quite rubbery, I think.
Yeah, it's smoky as well.
Yeah.
It's smoky.
So they're like a smoked meat, and I think that gives the sort of thicker texture. Which one's this one? Rump steak?
Yeah.
Oh, that bit, can I have that bit? Because that's a bit more well done.
Yeah, she likes the more well done ones. She can have that bit. Go on then. Perfect, thank you. Thank you. Beautiful ribeye. I've just had to turn the card back to red because, yeah, I can't keep up now. Keep forgetting about these. Thank you.
Go on then.
And this time we've got some Latin.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bit of sirloin.
First one.
Alright.
Thank you.
No.
That'll be fine for now, thank you.
No, that's a bit too pink.
She likes them more well done.
No, thank you.
This is how you have to do.
No.
And this one here is a picana, which is a special Brazilian cut, usually the best part of the rump. Thank you.
Pineapple.
Thank you. Thank you. That picana was beautiful, but it was very rare. Like lukewarm in the middle rare, and just too rare for Emma, but I loved it. But next, we're having gammon and pineapple. Honey glazed belly pork now. Emma's face, she doesn't like honey glazed things.
I'm not actually a pork lover.
Alright. Emma does not like the pork. We are currently 9 of the 15 meats in so far. We've been here 45 minutes. I'm not sure I'm going to do this. I don't think I'm going to get another 6 meats. I'd try. Certainly try. Sirloin. One hour in, and we're having to take another rest. Wow, this place. Thank you. Yeah.
A little bit, because it's a bit pink.
Filet mignon.
And the filet mignon. Thank you.
Thank you.
That filet is, yeah, yum. I'm having to wave the white flag. I am done. Except for an ice cream. Change of plan. Biscoff cheesecake. So that was Rio Brazilian Steakhouse, and it was fantastic. I really enjoyed that. That is a different dining experience from what I've ever had elsewhere, with the meats just constantly coming and trying little tasters of everything. And if you actually like something, you can ask for it. Like, can I have some light? And it comes. Anywho, for instance, one of the things we hadn't tried was the fillet, and they weren't fetching them out, so I asked one of the guys who was doing all the cutting. They've got a special name, and no, I'll insert that name here. No, I won't. What I'll do is I'll say it now. Gaucho chefs. That's what they're called. And he went and made a skewer of fillet, and it was very nice. Very, very nice. Anywho, our server Sarah was very nice, wasn't she?
Yes.
Very attentive and very informative. She told me everything that we need to know at the start. So yeah. Ooh, service charge. Not with Dashcam. Service charge. They add a service charge on the bill, but she said it was optional. Now that is instead of leaving a tip. So, and she was kind of apologetic about it, which she shouldn't really be, because we were going to leave her a tip anyways. But she was like, oh, you can take that off if you want. And then when she came back and we asked her about it and said, does she get that? Apparently it gets split between all the servers. And we said, so can we give you an extra tip? So go straight to you? And she went, no, I've got to split that as well. So yeah, service charge on it. And then she was saying, I'll just take it off the bill, don't worry. But no, that's not very fair, is it? You have to tip them. So yeah, service charges are added on the bill and they are optional, but don't be beep and take it off, because they do work hard, and they're all, not just Sarah, our server, but all the servers seem to be really nice. So yeah, what more to say about it? It was fantastic.
Did you say anything about your cheesecake?
Oh, yes, the cheesecake was very nice. Well, that was a special, and that was actually recommended by our server, Sarah, and she was right. It was delicious. Very nice. Even though I lost the biscuit, somebody ate the biscuit up the top.
You gave me it?
You still ate it.
Well, damn right. If you're going to give us something,
I had to be polite. Anywho, see you all tomorrow. And now it's time to do your job.